Hello everyone, so we are here to discuss about the task 3.3, which is the distinction task, the buddy system. So in this task, basically our objective is to communicate between two devices. So whenever there's an event take place, it is published to the cloud so that everyone can access it. Yeah, so basically what we need for this task is just a photon, a breadboard, a connecting wires, and just an LED and a transistor. So we go to the tutorial provided in the task sheet and we navigate to the buddy system, and yeah, here's it. So these are the connections. We follow them and set up our project, and then we move on to the code. So for the buddy system, yeah, there you go. So this is the code for the buddy system, as you all can see. So what we do is we connect our LED to the port D6, and the D7 is the built-in LED, and we connect our the photosensor or the transistor to the analog pin 0. We define some variable to read in the values and perform some actions. We set up the LEDs to low, the power to low. Now here, as you can see, this is the subscribe function, and this is the event name that would be used to be referred to or to be published. Yeah, and basically we will have to listen for this event name when it is being called. Now moving on, this is basically how we read in the readings and blink the LED according to that. Yeah, and here's the part, like whenever we receive a signal from another device, the LED would blink 3 times, and here is it. So whenever there's an intact, so there are two type of data here, basically, that is intact and broken. That means that the connection is intact or the connection is broken. So when the connection is intact, we will publish an event that will be available on the cloud. Same in the case when the connection is broken, and we could easily see them in our console. So let's move on to our web IDE and flash our code to the photon. But before that, let me show you the connections here. So for the connections, we've got the photon, the LED, the transistor, and all the connections. So coming back to the IDE, we flash this code. Yeah, and wait for it to get flashed. Yeah, it's almost done, and as you can all see, it's flashing, and there you go, the LED is on. Now we switch to our console to see any events that are being published. Yeah, we open up our console. Here we see it's waiting for events. So now coming back to a photon, I'll place my finger in between the transistor and LED to break the connection. Yeah, the connection is broken. I remove it. The connection is again there. I repeat that again. I break the connection and remove the finger. So what we can see is there are some events coming up there, and as you can see, here are events there, connected and disconnected. I changed the name from intact and broken to connected and disconnected, so they are more interactive, you can say, or more easier to read. So this was all about the project, and here are the readings we are getting from the sensor. It's being published to the cloud and everyone can access it. Yeah, that's all for the project. I hope you liked it. Thank you.